Today, I'm excited to share 15 easy dinner ideas that will have you sleeping like a baby. If you've ever struggled to get a good night's sleep, you're in the right place. These delicious recipes, packed with ingredients that promote relaxation and restful sleep, are also quick and simple to prepare, giving you the reassurance of a good night's sleep. None of us wants to sleep on an empty stomach, which makes it difficult to sleep and creates intense hunger, while sometimes we enjoy dinner more than the rest of the day. However, a significant problem is that we may sleep after dinner. The body is underfunctioning, the fat burns are not appropriately done, and foods are converted into pounds and fat. You hear it said that, to lose extra pounds and fat more easily, consume more foods with a low glycemic index. The glycemic index shows how fast blood sugar rises, how many carbohydrates are contained in food, and how these foods are ranked on a scale of 1 with a higher value of 100. That is why you need to have foods in your kitchen that are easy to digest and not high in fats. So try to eat something that will fill you up quickly and help you lose fat. Stay away from sugary, caffeinated, and spicy foods. These foods will put extra strain on your stomach and may disturb your sleep. So, explore the 15 easy dinner ideas for healthy eating and a good night's sleep, without the worry of adding weight. These foods are excellent choices that can provide you with the energy and nutrients you need, without adding extra pounds. Plus, some of these foods are rich in fiber, that aids in satiety, good health of the gastrointestinal tract, and better regulation of blood sugar levels, ensuring a balanced diet. Let's embark on a journey to transform your dinner routine and unlock the secret to sweet dreams. By making healthier dinner choices, you can improve your sleep and manage your weight more effectively. Number 1, fruit salad with walnuts. Neither fruits nor nuts require much preparation effort. It is an ideal choice when you are hungry, but you feel tired to prepare anything else. Eating fruits before bed is a good practice, due to the low glycemic index that fruits have. They help in the proper supply of energy to the body through sleep, so we do not wake up hungry during the night. In addition, both fruits and nuts contain many nutritional benefits, such as vitamins, minerals, proteins, healthy fats and fiber. The result is a nutritious combination that will keep you full, so you can sleep and wake up peacefully and happily. Number 2, apple slices with peanut butter. Apples and peanut butter are a fantastic duo, and one of my favorite choices. Apples are high in fiber and antioxidants. They improve intestinal health, and reduce the risk of possible heart diseases. Peanut butter can also have additional benefits for heart health. Researchers have shown it increases good HDL cholesterol, and lowers bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides. However, because peanut butter is high in calories, it needs moderation. Although it rarely is associated with weight gain, it is best to consume it wisely. With a tablespoon of peanut butter, a medium apple provides a healthy balance of sweet taste, and less than 200 calories. Number 3, roasted tuna or salmon. With fish, it's all about vitamin B6. Salmon and tuna are both light and protein-rich ways to boost vitamin B6, which helps the body produce melatonin and serotonin. Without enough vitamin B6, our bodies may face problems with tryptophan metabolism, for a good and relaxed sleep. By choosing just one of these fishes, you will have a light, satiety, and nutritious dinner. Number 4, yogurt with chopped fruit. You all know that yogurt, especially if it is organic, is an excellent snack in general. Yogurt contains high amounts of protein, reduced fats and sugar, and it is therefore considered an ideal snack with low calories. In addition, yogurt contains tryptophan, which synthesizes the neurotransmitter serotonin. Serotonin creates positive emotions in the brain, helps better sleep, and controls the hunger satiety mechanism. If you also add fresh fruits to yogurt, it will be a healthy, satisfying and delicious night snack. Number 5, vegetable burger or sandwich. A vegetable burger or sandwich is a delicious and healthy meal that will help you lose weight and sleep well. You can cut into small pieces 1 eggplant, 1 zucchini, 1 carrot, 1 pepper and 5 mushrooms, add a little salt, pepper, toast, and some olive oil. Mix it well and shape the vegetable burger or sandwich, put it in a pan, and bake for about 30 minutes, at 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit. The calories you add from this dinner idea are about 150, but you may prepare your preferred homemade burger or sandwich recipe. Number 6. Banana. Eating a banana before bed is a great choice, as it contains only 88 calories per 100 grams, and it offers to our body significant potassium and magnesium. Bananas also contain tryptophan and carbohydrates, considered an ideal combination for sleep without adding weight. In addition, the potassium and magnesium it contains relax the muscles, helping us achieve total relaxation and better sleep. Number 7. Smoothie with lettuce and banana. This delicious smoothie is an excellent choice to fight insomnia. It can control stress and anxiety levels, relaxing the whole body, and thus suppressing insomnia. To prepare it, you need 4 chamomile flowers, 90 grams of lettuce, 1 small banana, and the juice of half a lemon. First, make an infusion with the chamomile flowers, and drain it in a glass. Wash and finely chop the lettuce leaves. Add the tea water and all the other ingredients to the blender. Let them mix well for a few minutes and drink the smoothie cool, half an hour before bed. Number 8. Boiled eggs. 1 egg contains only 75 calories, but it gives 7 grams of high-quality protein, and other important nutrients. Eggs will keep you full for a long time, and it is a great low-calorie evening snack. However, be careful if you're taking medication, and in such a case it is best to ask your doctor first, how many eggs you can eat a week. Number 9. Watermelon. It is the ultimate summer fruit, and 100 grams will add only 30 calories while it hydrates our bodies, like a glass of water. Watermelon has very few calories, allowing us to enjoy it without weight regrets. It is a great source of the antioxidant beta-carotene, which the human body converts into crucial vitamin A. Watermelon also contains significant vitamin C, which is responsible for the synthesis of collagen and protecting hair and skin. Number 10. Salad. Another great choice and one of the best dinner foods, is a salad. Whether you make a salad with lettuce, broccoli, or cabbage for the winter, or a tomato-cucumber salad for the summer, it offers you flavor and satiety without burdening your weight or sleep. You can prepare a salad with tomato, cucumber and peppers. If you want even more flavor, just add a little piece of cheese. Just be careful not to accompany the salad with any sauce, because then you will add numerous calories. Better prefer 1 tablespoon of good olive oil, with lemon juice or vinegar. Number 11. Cottage cheese. It contains significant protein, which will help to eliminate hunger. If you do not have cottage cheese, you can eat any other cheese in smaller quantities, or with fewer fats. In addition, cheese and yogurt contain tryptophan, which creates relaxed, calm, and positive emotions while helping our sleep. You should eat a small piece of cheese, just to not be hungry before bed. Number 12. Raw or grilled vegetables. They are a tasty snack that will satisfy your desire for dinner. Vegetables also contain water that helps saturate, but it is also low in calories. Vegetables contain many important vitamins, nutrients and fiber, while having relaxing effects on the body. Roasted vegetables are easy to digest, and for this reason are ideal for dinner and good sleep. Choose whichever vegetables you like better. You can also supplement your body with protein by adding beans, mushrooms, and a little pepper. Number 13. Popcorn. You believe that popcorn is a high-calorie food. This is not true if you know how to consume it properly, because popcorn is low in calories if you do not add butter and salt. Butter is an important factor in preventing this snack from being healthy. It is essentially only fat, and it adds a lot more calories than one might realize. Popcorn is also a good source of fiber, and 3 cups have the same fiber as a cup of rice. To avoid preparing it yourself, choose from a shop that is low in fat, and does not contain butter or salt. Number 14, Kiwi. Kiwis are a low-calorie fruit, and very nutritious. A medium kiwi contains only 50 calories and many nutrients, including 117% of your daily requirement for vitamin C, and 38% for vitamin K. They also contain a decent amount of folic acid and potassium, and many trace elements. By eating kiwi fruit can boost your digestive health, reduce inflammation, and lower your cholesterol. These effects are due to the high antioxidant fibers and carotenoids they contain. According to studies on their ability to improve sleep quality, kiwi can become one of the best dinner ideas, or before bedtime. Researchers believe that kiwis promote sleep, because they are high in serotonin, a brain chemical that helps regulate the sleep cycle. In addition, antioxidants such as vitamin C and the carotenoids that kiwi contains, may be partly responsible for these effects. Just eating 1 to 2 medium kiwis before bed, can help you sleep faster and better. Number 15, Jasmine rice. It is higher in glycemic index, however it can help you fall asleep faster. Your body will digest it more slowly and steadily, allowing the slow and gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream. Jasmine rice is high in carbohydrates, but lacks fiber. A 2007 study by the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found those who ate jasmine rice 4 hours before bedtime, slept faster and in half time than usual. The researchers even found that jasmine rice provided more insulin, while increasing the tryptophan in the participants' brains. However, if you are also interested in weight loss, then jasmine rice before bed will not be the best choice. What to remember even with these healthy and easy dinner ideas. Drinking a glass of water, and waiting 20 minutes before eating these foods, will further help your goals. The above easy dinner ideas will help you sleep well, and sometimes lose weight. But some other fatty choices can cause multiple health, weight, or sleep problems. Pasta, ice cream, pizza, sweet, spicy foods, cookies, ready meals, fried foods and red meat will greatly complicate your digestion and keep your body active throughout the night. These foods also prevent the body from relaxing and sleeping, and stimulate it, keeping you awake, even if you are already tired, and feel like you want to sleep. So, eat less and choose the right diet before sleep. The most important thing about eating healthy snacks is to ensure you are prepared. If you have these snacks always available, then you will not have to make the wrong choices. When thinking about what to expect for an evening snack or a light meal, focus on whole foods instead of processed foods, because the healthy and nutritious choices you will make will prevent hunger before bed and help weight loss. All these foods are ideal for stopping your hunger before going to bed, and keeping the weight and fat down. This is the most important thing with a healthy diet. Remember to write in the comments below your favorite food choices for dinner before sleep. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for upcoming videos, where I'll share more tips and insights on healthy eating and natural herbal remedies for overall health and wellness. Also, if you're curious about the 11 best foods for the brain that can unlock your cognitive strength, enhance your memory and concentration, and achieve mental clarity, watch the video on the left. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and use these easy dinner ideas to improve your sleep and manage your weight more effectively.